Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to combine more than two photos on your iPhone. So if you want to combine two, three or four photos as much as you like into a single photo, I'm going to show you how to do that. So iPhone doesn't allow you to do that on their own application. So I'm going to go to the Safari browser, and here I will go to this address. This is called Convert Resize. I'm going to put the link on the description below. So after that, here you can see the option no file selected. Select this option here, and you can take photos, you can choose file, and also you can go to the photo library to choose the photos that you want in the combination. I'm going to select the photo library. I'm going to select 4 photos here, and after that select this tick sign here and scroll down. Here you can choose a different preset like a Facebook post or Instagram post, or you can see the YouTube thumbnail option as well. So I'm going to select the Instagram portrait photos, as it is a four photos. It automatically choose the 2x2 grid, but you can adjust it to your liking, but I'm going to select the default one. And after that scroll down, and here you can see the download format option. If you click, there are two types of quality. This is a PNG, the best quality, and the JPG. So I'm going to download it in the PNG option. Select the download option here, and here you can select the download, and it will save on your files. But if you want to like save it on your camera roll, go to view and press and hold onto the image and select two photos, and it will automatically save on your camera roll. So let me give you, as you can see, it's on my camera roll. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you guys.